Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with a secret code, so the fastest way to check this number, and after that I'll show you another way through the settings. So let's open the dialer and let's enter a short code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, actually at the very bottom of this pop-out window we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and as I said, another way through the settings, so let's tap on them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And as you can see, the serial number will appear right here in this section with highlighted information about your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.